Today I will show you how to move your WordPress website from your local computer to a live hosting your server. First, open your WordPress site on Localhost. Go to the dashboard, then Plugins, then Add New, and search for All-in-One WP Migration. Install it and activate it. This plugin helps you export your full site, including database, themes, media, and plugins. Once it is activated, go to All-in-One WP Migration, then Export. Then click on Export to and choose File. The plugin will package your whole website into a .wpress file. Wait for the process to finish, then download this file to your computer. Now log into your Hostinger control panel and make sure WordPress is already installed there. I am not showing you the import process on Hostinger, but the process is the same as on Localhost. You will need to install the same All-in-One WP Migration plugin on your live WordPress site, activate it, and then go to All-in-One WP Migration and select Import. Click Import From and select File, then upload the .wpress file you downloaded earlier. Depending on the size of your file, this may take some time. If it is large and upload fails, you may need to increase the maximum upload size or use File Manager via Hostinger's hPanel. When the upload is complete, click Proceed to confirm that you want to overwrite the existing installation. The plugin will restore your site exactly as it was on Localhost. That's it. You have now migrated your WordPress site from Localhost to Hostinger. Thanks for watching.